Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to import your designs from Figma into Bolt.New and transform them into a working app, all using simple prompts with *0 coding required. So whether you're a designer who wants to bring your web ideas to life, or someone just curious about turning Figma projects into real apps, by the end of this video, you'll know step-by-step how to get your Figma designs running inside Bolt.New, ready for customization and launch. Alright, let's jump right in. The very first thing you'll want to do is copy your design out of Figma. For this demo, I've got a mini website design open in Figma, but the process is the same no matter what size your project is. To start, click to select the frame or the specific section you want to bring into Bolt.New. If you have multiple frames, you might want to extract them one by one just to keep things organized. Once you've got your frame selected, right-click on it. You'll see a menu pop up. Hover over Copy Paste as. In this menu, look for and select Copy Link to Selection. What this does is generate a special link that points directly to that exact piece of your Figma file, a bit like handing someone a map to the exact spot in a huge city. Now let's head over to Bolt.New. You can type Bolt.New right into your browser. If this is your very first time here, the platform will prompt you to connect your Figma account. This is a really important step because Bolt.New needs permission to access your files. Think of it as holding the keys to your design library, so keep your credentials handy. If you've already connected your Figma account, you'll be able to jump straight into the next step. From here, you'll see an option to paste Figma code or paste link. This is where you paste in the link you just copied from Figma. Take a moment to double-check that you've grabbed the correct link, especially if you've been hopping between projects. Paste it right into the box and hit enter. Now, this part can take a few moments, so don't worry if there's a short wait. Bolt.New is grabbing your Figma frame, analyzing all the layers, colors, images, and even bits of layout information, and getting them ready to turn into real web code behind the scenes. You might see a spinner or progress bar as it does its thing. Just let it run. Once that's done, you'll see your design imported into Bolt.New. You'll probably notice a preview of what your app or website will look like, alongside some tabs or panels that let you explore the structure. What's really impressive is that Bolt.New automatically generates the actual code for your project, but you don't have to read or write any of it. If you want to make changes, you can simply use prompts, so you might type, add a sign-up button or change this color to blue, and Bolt.New will handle the rest. It's almost like chatting with an assistant who knows all about web design. Take a few minutes to preview your new site. Click through, test the interactive elements, and get comfortable with how your design works as a real app. If any details look off, don't worry, you can tweak things either by editing the design in Figma and re-importing, or by using more natural language prompts in Bolt.New. And that's it, you've just brought a Figma design to life, ready to be customized and shared without writing a single line of code. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give it a like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or share what kind of app you're planning to build next. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next video.